Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. YouTuber uTiamo Smith Buthelezi uhambe lapha ku-Instagram story yakhe wayibhala ukuthi bantu abambude ama-questions then yena utophendula. People did ask a lot of questions yoba amaningi ngendlela esimanga, but ngichoose just only few lengifuna ukukhuluma ngawo. Someone asked ukuthi how did she meet Mr. B. Wambuta ngokuthi when is she having kids, bambuta nangokuthi usangoma yini or uyini. So waphendulile onke ama-questions labambude ona, and lona uqala lento uqala ngayo umbude ukuthi when are you planning on having kids. Uthi we plan, God decides. Got to a point where I was tired of saying next year and it never happened. Currently waiting on him. So lokhu kukwende ngabona ukuthi oh shema akusiko ukuthi uThia doesn't want to have kids, uyafuna kuba nebantwana njengoba asho ukuthi uyaplana ukuthi next year, but ngende inyalo so beke konke nje netandleni atangolongolo. The second question was, are you no longer a sangoma or a twasa? And I've never been a sangoma nor called to a twasa. One of the biggest misconceptions about me, I am however spiritually gifted and chosen. I get messages in the form of dreams, sometimes go into spiritual traces, and as we speak currently I have my white dog and sipika because my spirits were so high after that sermon. I burn my impepo and I light my candles. I acknowledge my ancestors ngengwana modimo le badimo utsakakase yena twase and akasiso futhi sangoma, just like she's someone who's spiritually gifted yabo. So uyakhona ukuthi bona tindo in form of dreams. So uthi currently njengoba khuluma ufaka isiphiko sakhe neliduku lakhe leli white because after ayisemoni yayitolo kube sekuphaka isithunywa sakhe rather. So uthi cha kakase athwase. So lona wambuta ukuthi how did you meet Mr. B? Mr. B husband yakhe uthi ask me uthi he asked me out for coffee in the DMs. I missed for a while cause he had ugly pictures and 200 followers until I realized his bio was written chairman of, and I thought that position would get me a bursary, so I agreed. Lol. Long story short, I got a lifelong bursary. Okay, what's the reason why wamgana ku Mr. B? Uthi okay, magam approacha kuma DM uthi oh hayi bengekho interested because guy bekafake ama pictures akhe akudzala lamabi and bekana 200 ma followers. Uthi but bangibuke bio yakhe hayibo uthi uguy uchairman of, wabona ukuthi hayibo musilana sho ukuthi imali ikhona ngathola nebhazari. Unokuthi when Tia Smith and Mr. B started dating, Tia was still a varsity. So I'm not quite sure about their age gap, but I know ukuthi Tia Smith, she's way younger than her husband Mr. B. Mr. B ngiyacabanga ukuthi phela Tia mangathi ngiya-estimate nje uyamshiya ngabo 16 years. Please do comment what you think below down comment section. I'm signing out. Goodbye.